Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term universality. Universal design is the process of creating products that are accessible to people with a wide range of abilities, disabilities, and other characteristics. Universally designed products accommodate individual preferences and ability, communicate necessary information effectively regardless of ambient condition or the user's sensory ability, and can be approached, reached, manipulated and used regardless of individual's body size, posture or mobility. This may also refer to designing of the product originally intended for one market in such a way that it can also be sold in other market. It is a form of standardization. The characteristic of universality is equitable use. The design is useful and marketable to people with diverse ability. Number 2, flexibility in use. The design accommodates a wide range of individual preferences and ability. 3, simple and intuitive use. Use of design is easy to understand regardless of user's experience, knowledge, language skill or current concentration level. Number 4, perceptible information. The design communicates necessary information effectively to the user regardless of ambient condition or the user's sensory ability. 5, tolerance for error. The design minimizes hazards and adverse consequences of accidental or unintended action. Low physical effort. The design can be efficiently and comfortably and with a minimum of fatigue. Size and space for approach and use. Appropriate size and space is provided for approach, reach, manipulation and use regardless of user's body size, posture and mobility. Thanks for watching. Bye.